Okay, I'm going to export now. This is the City Hall Part 2.
For which day are you posting this one?
Walking in the rain.
Or at least write walking in stormy rain.
Mm-hmm.
So they know because of the storm, that's why it's shaking.
Yeah, I'm walking. I'm going downstairs. So yeah, Rudy says Filipino. So you are going to sing Filipino song now.
Filipino song.
Yeah.
Mahal, miss na miss kita, akin nawawala sa ay miniso. Mahal. That is the new Filipino language, okay? Mahal. Even the Filipinos will not understand it. Mahal, miss kita, akin no bawa sa aki, anisay sayo, tururut. I'm going to master that song. Wait, I am going to master it right now on live air. I am
Yeah.
going to master that song. Okay, this is enough. Enough is enough.
Oh,
I'm making excuses. I'm making excuses.
my
It's
God!
so difficult. It's so difficult. It's so difficult. I cannot
We
get the
forgot
words. I cannot get the
CKs.
tune.
We
I
forgot CKs. What happened? We
my phone
forgot
is angry
CKs
with me
here.
because I'm going to sing Filipino song. It's angry with me. It fell down.
We forgot CK's premiere. It's about to start in 17 minutes.
What is about to start?
17, 17 seconds? 17 minutes. 17 minutes.
17 minutes. What is going to start?
And CK's. We
CK?
forgot. Yeah, the
CK?
premiere.
CK's
Yeah,
premiere. CK's premiere. Okay,
yeah,
I will. Okay,
CK.
I will see it on Hector channel. CK going to start in
Almost
17
forgot.
minutes or 17 seconds?
17 minutes. Good thing it was notified. I am on a notification on.
Okay, so 17. I will go to.
Hello, CK. Do you want to come up? Are you welcome? CK, welcome to you. Do you want to come up?
Wow, imagine that day CK's thing went off, but she got 4.2 thousand to 4.2K views. Wow.
And you have 4 only.
For just a short one. I got only 4 watch hours for the 7th of July.
That's opposite to CK's.
That's my highest record so far. I don't think anyone will ever beat that record. How come I don't see anything upcoming for a premiere?
What? You did not put a notification on, Bell? Check the messenger.
No, I got all the notification. I'm looking at a channel. I'm looking at a channel page. I'm looking on the videos. I cannot see anything upcoming. Yes, upcoming. Yes.
Oh, you're joking. You're
Part one, my
joking.
son's graduation. That one.
Yeah.
Okay. My notification is on.
Yeah.
She's already got 16. Oh, my like is already done. Okay, let me just show I'm waiting here. Waiting for you. Who beat me to it? Who's that me inside who beat me to the first comment? Who's that me inside?
What?
Who's that me